Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, August 28th, the last week of trading for the month of August. And today, prices opened right over here at 44.37. And you'll notice my trading zone calculated using the Taylor trading technique. The resistance was up here at 44.30, support down at 43.64. So a pretty wide trading range, a calculated trading range. Prices basically bounced around above the calculated trading zone, and they looks like prices are going to fall into the trading zone, which is as good a thing as a crystal ball as any trader can have. And prices basically bounced off resistance. You know, resistance sometimes becomes support and vice versa. But the trading zone is particularly accurate at giving me a gauge that tell me where prices are likely to trade. Not me, but these are numbers developed by George Taylor. Credit to George Taylor. The previous close on Friday, the 25th, was at 44.14, and it's very likely that this gap is going to close because gaps close 70 to 75% of the time. So prices right now, they're trading around the target at 44.30, the calculated resistance. And I expect them to break through. It looks like they're going to break through. And we'll see where the trading is going to go the rest of the day. So if you're interested in learning more about the calculated trading zone based on Taylor's trading technique, check it out at my site at timelessdollar.com. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.